before they come into contact with them. It makes our immune system stronger. Without vaccine, we are at risk of serious illness and disability from diseases like measles, pneumonia, polio, etc. Many of the diseases can be life-threatening.
Measles is a viral infection disease that spreads through direct contact or through droplets in the air. It affects our respiratory system. There is no specific treatment for this. The symptoms usually go away within 7 to 10 days. To prevent children from affecting this disease measles, vaccination must be given. Thank you. When there is a lung-infected disease, it happens when an infection causes the air sacs in the lungs to fill with fluid or pus. It is caused due to bacteria, virus or fungi. Pneumonia can be treated in different methods, but the recovery will take time.
India 1995, the first dose of an oral vaccine against polio was given in India. This awareness program will make the people aware of arming against polio and eradicating it completely from the world. India was certified as polio-free country by World Health Organization on March 27, 2014.
Chavra. I'm Dr. Praveena Mahendran. I'm here today to share some knowledge with you all on vaccines and immunization. It is as soon as you were born, within minutes, you were given 3 important vaccines. The oral polio vaccine, the hepatitis B vaccine and the BCG vaccine, right? So it is very important to give all these 3 vaccines within 24 hours of a childbirth. First of all, these vaccines are formulations which are given to us to protect us against certain bacterial and viral infections. Once these vaccines are injected into our body, they will go and stimulate our immune response. So once this immune response is evoked, our body will produce antibodies against these vaccine particles, thinking that they are the real pathogens. But what is true, we have actually removed the infectious nature of the microorganisms and then only we have injected into our body. So these vaccine particles are not infectious and are not disease causing like the real pathogens, but they will induce our body's antibody production, and these produced antibodies will protect us against the real pathogens which are present outside. Okay, here we have our own national immunization schedule, and it is made very strict that at least those vaccines which are present in this national immunization schedule is given to all the people of India. Okay, coming to how strong these vaccines are. If again someone asks me, I have taken a vaccine 2 doses and am I immune to the disease for my lifelong? Again, the answer is no. We have certain vaccines whose longevity is lifelong and they protect us from the disease for a lifetime. And we also have certain vaccines which will require multiple doses. The antibodies titer which these vaccines raise will reduce over time, and so to keep the antibody levels constant in our blood, we require some additional booster doses for these kinds of vaccines. And also we have certain vaccines which will not protect us against acquiring disease, but they will decrease the severity of the disease, or they will prevent us from the complications of the disease once we acquire it. So all these are dependent on what is the disease, what is the strength or virulence of the organism causing the disease, and what is the part of the organism which is used for preparation of the vaccine, and what is the method of preparation of the vaccine. For this, I thank my institution for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.